This is Pioneer's AVH-241EX. This is a 2-DIN AM/FM, CD, and DVD receiver with a 6.2-inch touchscreen and built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The Bluetooth system is designed to work with your Android phone and your iPhone. It can play back videos and music from a CD, a DVD, or a USB flash drive. There are RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers, and it has a built-in 13-band graphic EQ. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, we'll just flip that up and pop it open here. All right, first thing I see here is a wireless remote control. There's a wireless remote control included in the box. Then we have the installation screws, 8 install screws there. Next we have a hardware pack. Let's open up this hardware pack and get a look at it. First thing in the hardware pack is the wire harness. This is for connecting power and ground and all the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to the vehicle. Then we have the input-output wire harness. We'll give you a closer look at this a little bit later in the video. And finally, we have the Bluetooth microphone for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. This comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for a very flexible installation. And next up, we have the quick start guide and the warranty card inside this one package here. And remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual for this product right onto your cell phone in PDF form from pioneerelectronics.com. Warranty card, and let's pull the receiver up out of here. There we go. This receiver plays DVD and CD discs, and as you can see, it's a full-depth chassis. Now please note the 2 DVD transport screws on the top of the receiver right here. Be sure to remove both of these screws before installing the receiver. The front panel of the AVH-241EX has the volume control right here. The home button is here. The CD and DVD slot is across the top. The USB port is right here on the front panel. You can use this to play back music and movies from a USB flash drive or to charge your phone. You'll do most of your interaction with the in-dash receiver with the 6.2-inch touchscreen. On the back panel of the Pioneer AVH-241EX, we'll start off with the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle, and that'll plug in right here. This jack is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls, and the microphone is included with the in-dash receiver. This one is for using your vehicle's steering wheel controls to operate the receiver with the use of a third-party steering wheel control adapter. The RCA input-output wire harness will plug into the white port right here. And we'll take a closer look at the input-output wire harness in just a moment. This is the 3.5mm auxiliary input jack. It can be used to play back audio and video through the in-dash receiver. And finally, the wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The Pioneer AVH-241EX has a built-in amplifier that's designed to operate up to 4 speakers in your vehicle. Now, let's take a look at that input-output wire harness. Here are the front and rear, right and left RCA outputs and a mono subwoofer output for operating external amplifiers. If your subwoofer amplifier has 2 RCA inputs, simply use a male-to-male RCA-Y adapter or splitter to connect your amp. And these are 2-volt RCA outputs. The brown jack here is the dedicated backup camera input. The AVH-241EX is designed for use with the optional ND-BC8 backup camera from Pioneer. And the yellow port here is the video output. And that is Pioneer's AVH-241EX. And what's in the box?